Okay, I know why you're here. You want to know if this is legit or a piece of junk, and I wanted to know that also. We just had a hurricane here, and of course my float was messed up in the carburetor in my generator, and it didn't want to start, and I was concerned about that. Ordered this, didn't get here in time, of course, but I fixed my float, so my generator is working perfectly, but I'm still going to need to address that issue on a more permanent basis. So let's take a look at this and see if it's a quality product or something you should consider passing on. So I'm just taking it out, and let's see what we have in here. We've got fuel line, we've got some return springs, we've got a gasket, we have a mounting plate, more gaskets, and another lever. And let's take a look at the carb itself. Okay, so this looks like I don't think it's a remanufactured carb. This looks like new to me. This looks like new to me. So I've learned in the past with these, the most important thing is this: you have to be very careful to get the right carburetor for your engine. So you have to check those details carefully. For me, I'm just more answering the question of how this is machined, if it's a piece of junk or if it seems nice. This is all machined very nicely and smooth. The butterfly seems like it works really well. Let's try this one. This is the choke, and yeah, that seems to work really well. The needles, the jets all look, let me just see. Everything looks completely appropriate on this. It's got a really nice guard on that adjustment there. Overall, this is definitely what I expected to get. I can't hook it up to, I haven't hooked it up to see if it actually works or not, but we all know carbs, either they work or they don't work, and I think the machining is more important as to an answer as to whether this thing is going to work or not. It comes with a complete kit. This is literally everything you need to put this on, hook up a couple cables, and you should have instant power again. Kind of a little bit wish the old days when you could actually just get some parts and floats and fix your old one, but so easy just to buy a new one and just replace it. Anyway, I'm gonna give this I'm gonna give it a 4 out of 5 on the Doug score, only because I didn't put it actually on the machine yet, so I don't know if it actually works, but as long as this is the correct carburetor that I ordered, I can't imagine that this doesn't work perfectly. All right, I hope that's helpful. We'll see you next time.